Today, I think we're gonna be doing an oil change, and then I don't know what we're doing throughout the week, but this is gonna be like a week-long video, I think, because I think it's gonna be a pretty uneventful week, and I kind of want to post a video. I went and got oil for this thing. 2 bashes this weekend. It's actually today. I didn't get to go to it though, but whatever. Yeah, we're gonna do an oil change, so I gotta get this thing up on jacks. I might move it to this side of the garage. I'm not sure yet though. I decided it's easier to do it on this side, just because there's not a lot of room over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna jack the car up. This side on a jack, one jack, because stance drift car things. You can teeter the whole car on one jack on the front. Okay. Yeah, I just gonna put the jack in. Gonna do a quick little oil change. Alright. I think I did 3 on the other side. So, I'm like, ow, fuck me, my wrist. Twisted that a little too hard. Yeah. So that's done. Now, for the part that no one ever wants to do. I can't remember what size it is. It's probably like a 14. Forgot to open the hood. Boom. Gotta clean this thing. It's really messy. Like, I had my buddy clean it a couple weeks ago. Maybe like a month and a half ago actually, but I just think it's really dirty really fast. I'll have to do like a little shake. That's not going anyway. Yeah, so it is a 14. Now, the oil in my car right now, I do believe is hot. So, I'm gonna do this in a way where, hopefully, holy fuck. Okay, alright. I couldn't get it with my hands, so I'm just gonna break a bar. Okay, it's cracked. Oh, I got it on my face. Sweet. Now, oil dumping out. Yeah, it's really hot. Hopefully it doesn't spill. Oh dear Lord, please do not overflow. Go in. Yeah, this was a long overdue oil change. I got it all over my face. Shit. Stop. Okay. We're good. So that's done. Now, taking this hot oil filter off is gonna be the next fun part. I do this with one hand. It's like, I was just driving my car, so my car's really hot, so I'm gonna use a glove. But, these oil filters do not like to come off. No. Well, I'm gonna get this off. It's, coming off. I'm gonna let that drain out a little bit. Yeah. Put the plug back in. Plug in. The oil filter is really hot, so try not to touch it if you were just driving your car. You know, I really hope these metal chunks aren't from my car. There's a lot of metal in there. I'm gonna grab a magnet here. So, it's a little dirty, but it's got some metal on there, but I'm just gonna go like this. And we're gonna see how much was in here that is metal. Some of these are from an angle grinder. There's definitely a little bit of metal in there. Doesn't surprise me at all. This car's got 150,000 kilometers on it. It's probably not going to be clean. I'm going to set it over there so I can drain out a little bit. Now, I have to figure out a way to open this. I got the cap off. Oil's there, filter. I just gotta grab the funnel. Sweet. So I'm an idiot. I got the wrong filter. It's a 1M 108. It's a 104. Dang, bro. I did get the wrong filter. Low key. I ended up buying the wrong filter, but it threads on, and the O-ring sits on the thing, so I'm just gonna run it for now. Like, I honestly, I could just run this filter again, but I kind of don't want to. Because this is M108, so or an M104. So I did buy the wrong filter. But I'll run it for now, and then I'll just end up getting a new filter just like another day soon. Okay. So now this car takes 5.4 liters of oil, 0W20, full synthetic. I would run a thicker oil, but I just didn't really know what I wanted to run. If you spill, it's fine. There's tons of oil to go around. This is a 5 liter. So, oh fuck, that was a lot of spilling. I usually do one full bottle of these, like this, and then half of the 1 liter bottle. And that's usually enough to be where I like. I like to run a little more oil than what I normally should. You don't want to drown the car with oil, but it's not going to hurt it. You definitely don't want to have not enough oil though. So I'll buy one of these, and I'll just run it to the 500. So I'll just run half this bottle. Okay. I put a little too much in, but I mean, whatever. You can always add oil. Can't really take oil out. Grab this guy. Get that cap on pretty tight. I put the oil filter on, run the car for about 30 seconds at like 2,000 RPM, hold it, and then check your oil. And once you're good, it should be like right at the top of that second dot or the second line. And yeah, oil change is done. Well, today was also pretty eventful. I ended up buying a new toolbox and a set of tools, a 350 piece, some mask crafts and some cheap stuff, but it'll get us by. This is the whole setup now. So all the tools and stuff are in here. So this is a lot cleaner now for my father because he got mad.